आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is the given question, and in this question, if limit x tends to 0, a function that is a e raised to the power x minus b upon x is equals to 2, it is given to us in the question, then we have to find the values of a and b. So first of all, we'll try to write the function that is given to us in the question, then we'll try to solve. So this is the function given to us in the question. When we'll look at this function closely, here e raised to power x is present and limit is x tends to 0, and in denominator we have x. So there is a formula which is similar to this, which is, let me write it, limit x tends to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x, which is equals to value 1. We know that this value is 1. So in order to get this value, we have to convert this function in terms of e raised to power x minus 1 in the numerator. So how we can do this? Let me show you. We can simply do this by limit x tends to 0. Okay, this is x tends to 0, a e raised to power x minus a and plus a minus b. Why we added and subtracted a? Because now we can take a common so that we can get the desired format. Okay, let me show you. Let me rewrite it again. Limit x tends to 0, a e raised to power x minus a upon x plus limit x tends to 0, a minus b upon x, which is equals to 2. Okay, simple. Now what we'll do, we'll take a common here and limit x tends to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x plus limit x tends to 0, a minus b upon x, which is equals to 2. Now what I told you in the beginning, this value, we know this value is equals to 1. So I can write here a plus limit x tends to 0, a minus b upon x is equals to 2. Now here limit x tends to 0 is given and x is here in the denominator. If we'll substitute the limit, here we'll get 0 in the denominator, and it is given to us in the question that here it is finite value, and if we'll substitute limit, we'll get infinite value for this whole function. So basically what I want to say is, let me write it here. What I want to say is, this value is infinite and a finite value is given to us here. So this value a minus b will be equals to 0, because here it is finite value given and here it is infinite, which is not satisfying the equation. So we can also say that, and from here we can say that this a will give the result 2, that is a is equals to 2. So if a is equals to 2, then 2 minus b is equals to 0, therefore b is equals to 2. So we got the value of both a and b, that is 2 and here 2. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।